Welcome back to ASX Market Watch and charting trend signals around the world. It's a great time to check out the markets. This is where we look at the world from a chartist's point of view. That's right, you could look at the world, you could look at the world news, you could look at the world fundamentals, you could look at the world PE ratios, you could do this, that, or the other. Really, at the end of the day, this shows us the trends and the trends in the world prices, which is, it's a fantastic thing to follow. And at the end of the day, you need an uptrend if you're going to be buying stocks. And at the end of the day, we don't have an uptrend, which is the reason for this market watch. So just to really quickly get into it, just wanted to remind everyone that yes, we are still in a downtrend, and it's so ridiculously simple. This is the All Ordinaries down under Australia. Yes, we'll be checking out other charts as well. This is down under Australia, and as you can see, the most ridiculously simple of all tools. The humble, the fantastic trend line, and this is one. It starts from our peak up in April 2011, goes down. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 peaks that it's touched. That's exactly what we want. And now the market is also flirting with this level right around here. So what we're expecting, guys, yes, indeed, we might see the market come up to our trend line level. It's going to find quite heavy resistance at around the 4,450 level. So just be very, very mindful of that. And at the end of the day, for a more solid signal, solid upwards signal to emerge, we really want this little zigzag pattern. And this zigzag pattern is starting to sort of happen. As you can see here, we're just looking for this last upward move. If it does happen, we'd want it to happen over around 2 months or more. That just simply means that it's a more solid signal. It means that it's not like a retracement in an overall downtrend. So we want it to evolve over around 2 months or more. And the reason is because then it's not just a reaction in the overall downtrend. Hope that makes sense. And guys, just to give you a quick idea of why that is the way it is, this is 2002. This is the bear market 2002. Starts here in March 2002, and as you can see, we've got this downtrend line here. Doesn't quite hit it again. The market does head up, but doesn't quite reach that downtrend line. So that's exactly what we want. And if we just have a really, really, really quick look again, the market does continue up, but it never quite gets, and look at that, isn't that just a beautiful thing? See this longer term trend line? It bounces off it once again. And so that's exactly the sort of scenario that we're looking at during the 2011 bear market, which we're currently in, basically, and there you go, see this? See how it flirts with that trend line? Isn't that just beautiful? Isn't that just poetic? I love that stuff. It's absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, the market closes above the trend line then, we forget about all this horizontal support and resistance. It doesn't mean jack diddly squat. We've got this beautiful downtrend. It crosses above it. And what is that? That's May 2003, the very beginning of that phenomenal bull market that got people so interested in the stock market. And now no one really cares about the stock market because it's going down. Oh well, you just got to know how to time it, guys. And it's not that hard, as I've shown you. Very, very simple stuff. Just get rid of this trend line here. But I hope that makes sense, because that's where we're at the moment. As you can see, we've got this beautiful downtrend line, and the market will flirt with that downtrend line, but it's not until it really closes solidly above it that we'll start to get excited and start buying stocks. So that's your All Ordinaries right there. So those are the simple tools that we use. Really, really simple. That is my chartist point of view thus far, guys. I'll see you next week. Absolutely fantastic to chat shop with you. Thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great week and happy trending. Until then, bye for now.